wave as they sway from side to side. And in my mind I find the motive to reside outside in the open instead of hide inside from the all eyes on me. I feel like they see that old me and not the who God has called me to be, because when I said yes I became free and the enemy has to flee. So I need to breathe and conceive that since my belief people can't hold me, so I will sail the wind as an autumn leaf and allow the Spirit to lead. Then when I hunger, allow the Spirit to feed me, and so that my throat doesn't get dry, I'll sip on the living water as a starter for me being filled with the Spirit. And by the Spirit, I'll continue to listen to the Word of God, because faith comes when I hear it. But not just to receive it and to keep it to myself, but to let it flow from the rivers of my belly and to share it like a rich man should share his wealth to the less fortunate. But unfortunately, I allow the enemy to deceive and retrieve a legacy that belongs to me. So until I see that image of who I'm supposed to be, I won't be free. I won't be able to breathe or conceive. I'll be stuck on the tree with the rest of the leaves. So I don't want to be left behind. This is my cry, because I know that this house will no longer be my home when I die, but that I'll be united with Christ in the sky when he comes back to collect his redeemed. And sometimes it seems that it's only a dream, but I know that it's real. And I am convinced that my soul is at rest in the hands of the master plan's planner. And I know that when I'm received up high in the sky, that I'll see that welcome home banner. And you ask me, what manner of man is this that raises the dead to life, turns water into wine, helps the blind to see, sets the captives free? Jesus is his name. And until I am whisked away, I will forever proclaim that he is the way, the truth, and the life, and no man gets to the Father without going through the Son. So unless you have your bloodstained past, you may not pass through, and if you don't make up your mind, the rapture will pass you. So I